How do you build enablement without slowing growth? That's the question one of the CEOs I work with asked me recently. Hey there, welcome to Car Talk with Karthik. I'm Nitin Karthik. Having worked with over 50 CEOs fueling millions in revenue growth, here is my answer. When you're scaling fast, panic feels natural. Resist it. Start small, learn fast, and then act quick. Quick wins matter more than perfect plans. Consolidate your noisy updates into one source. Fix your onboarding early, even if the first version is rough. Each iteration compounds. Calm leadership creates momentum, and momentum builds trust. That's how teams scale without collapsing under speed, because calm beats chaos. This insight comes from page 186 of my best-selling business book, Wisdom from Wizards. Check it out at wisdomfromwizards.com and see you next time on Car Talk with Karthik.